My name is Justin Hazemeyer. I'm the field sales engineer at Milbank, and I have worked here for 8 years. What I do here at Milbank as a field sales engineer is the field sales part of it is I work directly with the customer. And what that entails is I try to talk to them and understand what they're needing, and then I match that up with what we can do here at Milbank. And oftentimes that takes multiple iterations on concept drawings. I'll send that to them to give them an idea of what we can do. And then I'll also, with the engineering part, work with manufacturing and engineering to get feedback and help develop a good product for all sides. I went to University of Missouri as mechanical engineering. And I went with mechanical engineering because I was looking at all the courses for engineering, and the mechanical classes I really liked. And then as I was taking them, it seemed like it fell in line with what I was wanting to do as well. So what I like about working here is I feel like from the top down, they care about their employees. I think everyone here knows and has met the owners. And then with my position, I like the fact that I get to work with all sides. And so that's with the customer, trying to understand what they're needing, and also keeping up with the industry too, because companies are constantly having new technology and new products. So understanding that helps. But then also collaborating with our engineering and production. And so we can get a product that works for all sides. That's also a quality product.